It's a pain to move, and I moved 3 times in the past 3 years, and Buehler Companies made that mission 3 different times so easy for me, so easy for my family. 4,000 pounds of furniture sucks. They were friendly, they were on time, they were professional, dedicated. They were determined to finish the job as soon as possible without breaking anything, without scraping anything. I requested certain movers after the fact, but they're so busy. There was no difference. Each moving group was the same. They just did a great job. And I don't plan on moving anytime soon, but if I was going to move again, they would be the first company I would call is Buehler Companies, for sure.